What is going on, everybody? As you can see, we finally got our 4 GPM power washer. It's been a long time coming. I'm super excited, and it has already helped us cut down our wash time so much, and we've only done two washes with it so far, and we don't even have our hose reels or extended hoses yet. All we have is the power washer itself and the J-rod. It is honestly crazy going from a 2.5 GPM power washer to this. We should have done this a while ago, and I knew I was going to say that, but you got to do what you got to do. We thought that having two 2.5 GPM power washers running at the same time would be the most efficient, but from what I've seen already, we've done 2 jobs with it, 2 house washes, and it seems like this is really going to take our washing to the next level in terms of time efficiency and just overall efficiency in the business. So I mean, I'm super pumped about this. The washer is so powerful compared to the 2.5s, and for people out there that are starting out with the 2.5s, they're really not bad to start out with, but I'm telling you, as soon as you can, definitely try to upgrade, especially if you're alone. If you're working with one other person, you have 2 people that are running the business, maybe you should run the 2.5s as like me and my brother did for a while until you really start to figure out your system. But I would honestly recommend going to the 4 GPM as soon as possible and kind of just figuring out maybe one person being on the washer while someone else is doing other things, cleaning up and setting up and all that kind of stuff. But that's what we're going to be going. That's what we're going to be going towards now that we have this, and we're honestly trying to get another 4.2 GPM power washer as well. We decided to go with the Predator because it has great reviews. Everyone that I know that has it has said great things about it, and you just got to take care of it from what I've heard, and it does great and super well built. So far it's been awesome. I'm super excited, and you're gonna see our first house wash using it coming up in this video in just a sec, but right now I'm just trying to get it started, as you can see. This new 4 GPM, we pretty much just finished the entire house. This entire house in about an hour, and we don't even have hose reels, and we're still lugging it around. So I mean, we're getting hose reels and longer hoses so that we don't even have to take the washer off the truck. So with the hose reels, I can imagine that we'll be down to maybe 30 minutes for a house like this. So I'm getting excited now.